If you want to build a free website for your business or e-commerce store, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can create free website using Odoo platform. Odoo platform not only give you option to create standing website, it also has great service features which you can use for your business. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So let's get start from creating free account with Odoo platform. On the home page and click on website. When you click on website, you have to click here start now. It's free, and you can also see free forever with unlimited users, which is nice thing. Start now, it's free. Click on it. So in this page, we have to provide some information, general information like first name, last name, email, website name, and phone number. So let me here provide my name here, Brit Calerona, and then you can provide any email address you would like to go with. And for the website name, let me put Pretech Ideas, and it will find if the domain name available. If you not yet have a custom domain, you can use free Odoo domain and it will apply automatic here. You can click also here edit, and you can also customize your domain how you wanna set up your domain name. If I'm going to delete dashes, I don't want a domain name with dashes, so let's try out this one if this is available, and then click start now. So we have to provide the phone number here and click on start now. Click on start now, it will start building our free website. So here, ready to build the perfect website, we will set up and running in 4 steps. It will ask you some of the basic steps in order to start build your website. You also can skip here and start from scratch. Let's click on let's do it. And here first we have to choose what type of website we want to build. If you want to build a business website, online store, a blog, event website, or e-learning platform. So let me choose here business website. And here we have to choose what type of business you have. Let me put here clothes and fabric manufacturer, anything you can search here. Or let me search for digital market, digital printing. Let me search for web designer, web hosting company. You can search your business here, or you can click back here and you can choose like online store for what type of product. Then you also have to provide information again. So let me choose here clothes, baby clothing store, just to show you. And with the main objective goal, you have to choose your main objective, or what is your main objective for this website. Get leads, develop the brand, sell more, inform customers, schedule appointment. But if you want to hear like a business, if you're running business website or you want to build a business website, you might need schedule appointment option here. So let me click on any of these options, sell more. Okay, then we have to choose color palette here, which type color you need, or you have to upload your logo here and it will suggest you some color after that. Let me try to upload my logo. Let me put any logo just to show you, and now it will show you which color palette has been used on your logo. Then you can directly click here. After select your logo, it will auto select colors for your website. I really like it. And let me click on let's go, and then add page and features on your website. What page you there should be on your website, or services like pricing, shop, e-learning. You also can sell digital courses, digital product. If you want to have a live chat on your website, then you also have to select live chat, news, event, form, success story, news. Okay, let me try to select some of these from these. About us, live chat, shop. It's already there. Privacy policy, yeah, we need it. Help desk for ticketing, appointment. So let me select here another services and pricing. Okay, so you also can sell some services along with your e-commerce store. So you have to select here. Okay, let me choose some of these. Okay, so that mean if you select multiple option here, that will start a free trial immediately. But for now we have free plan. If I choose multiple options here, and it will show you need a standard plan here. Okay, so I will only choose here the limited which I need: about us, shop, and privacy policy. That's all. Okay, let me click on build my website, and then we will see the magic how it build our website. Okay, so the next step, we have to choose the template from here. You can click here to select any of these template. If you need to check more templates, click on view more themes or templates, and it will give you option to choose from more templates. So we have more choices here you can go with, because we choose kids clothing business, right? So it will auto suggest you according your business you select here. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, I like it. So let me choose this one, and it will immediately apply colors, design, and create some pages for your website. You have to stay here. Please do not refresh your page when you are uh, completing all the process. Once all the process has been done, and then we will move to customization, how we can do further customization on the Odoo website. Activating the last feature, so we have to wait here. It will activate all the pages features which we required in order to run our e-commerce business, because we choose online store when we just start creating the Odoo website. So you have to choose carefully when you just starting out, and you have to choose your business, give the category, and it will auto do rest of things for you. Just we need to customize after Odoo platform build your website. So we need to customize according your needs, which information you required in your online store or business website. If you have a business website, I will suggest you go with the appointment services like that. 3 to 4, you will able to choose some 3 to 4 or 5 limited options or functionality for your website. But if you're building portfolio for yourself, then you might need services. You want to sell your services, appointments. So we have successfully complete all the process, and it build a beautiful website for us. And you can see here everything you need for your baby, and it also customize the content according your selection. We have here we can provide a logo here, phone number, everything is customizable. Now I will show you how you can customize your website step by step. So don't skip this video. Please hit subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like and share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate that. So let me go to, we have option here in the top bar, site. If we click on site, we will able to follow some other options like menu editor. If we wanna edit our menu, pages, we will able to check all our pages, products. This page in I it means this particular page you will able to check properties, optimize SEO, and you also can put custom CSS on your website, which is nice thing. And then for the product, we will follow the next one, e-commerce, where we have orders. We will able to check all the orders received on our website, unpaid order, abandoned carts, customer products. We will able to add products here in the product section. E-commerce category, we can build e-commerce category, combo choices, product tags, and product ribbons. In the reporting, you will able to check analytics for your website, how many people visit on your website, e-commerce sales, visitors, page views. In configuration, you will able to install some other apps or setting. In the under the e-commerce option, you have a payment provider, payment method, delivery method, domain name. I really like the feature they are providing. in even we are just starting out free website with them. So let's go ahead, click on home page in the site option. In the site option, let me click on let me go back. Okay, site. Under the site, let's click on home page. Now we will able to edit our home page, or you can just uh, customize your website with your mouse. Only you need to scroll your mouse where you wanna make changes on your website. For example, if you wanna make changes to this title, you have to just select with the mouse and start typing anything, the title you wanna keep for your website. If you wanna change image, then you have to hover your mouse to the image and click on it. Let me check here where we wanna. Okay, let me change the title first little bit. So we have successfully installed all the important widget or elements, and our website is ready now. um, how we can edit or customize our website here? So we will click here in the right side, you will see new option and edit option. Let me click on edit option, and it will give you some of the blocks which you can use on your home page, because we are customizing now the home page. We have images, people, text, social, contact form, inner lines if you need, countdown timer. Okay, then just I think you have to only click, drag it here where you wanna implement those blocks. So if I go to customize option, you will able to see your customized selector for selected block. So if I select this one, and it will immediately give you customized options here where you can adjust your title. You can also adjust with your mouse, then you have to look for corner to adjust it. Okay, and you also can make changes to the title, double select on it and start typing. Let me type your baby style um, trendy clothes or clothing. Okay, and then for the description we have to double click again where the description um, present, and we have to double click and start typing. For the button, we will scroll to the button and click on the button. When you click on the button, you will able to customize your button by clicking here. When you click on the button, it will give you downside the option to edit the link. You will able to edit link by clicking here, and then you have to look here right side where you will able to check which contact page selected here. You can delete and you can start typing like contact, and it will immediately give you suggestions for the page. Okay, so first let me put one slash and contact. Okay, contact us. I will select it. Depends on you which type of page you wanna connect with this button. Okay, then you have to just put value here and select. We have options, more options here in the layout, grid or call. Okay, and let me click on grid, and then add element. If you want to add more element, text button, click on it, and it will add one more button on your website. And you have to, you can drag it anywhere on your website. Okay, which is very easy to customize anything on your website. Okay, let me delete it. New, now you need one more image, then you will see option add elements under the layout, customize layout, add elements option, which give you option to add more image, text and button. If I click on text, it will generate one more box for the another text, which you can add anywhere, and double click on it, start typing contact us for more information. Okay, then you will able to drag it anywhere. What that mean? If I click on the box and I will see here drag button, and I will able to drag it anywhere. First let me make it smaller. Okay, and now I will drag it to the corner. I want to drag it to the right side corner. You will able to drag it anywhere. If you want to add anything social media icons in the right side, okay, then you can easily look for blocks, go to blocks and look for options you want to drag it there. For example, here is a social, so let me drag it here, social. And it give you option when you start inserting any block on your website. It give you option like intro, columns, content, images. If you want to put images, text, people, contact and form, social. Okay, you will able to add your social media account, I think. So for the icons, let me check if we find, yeah, social media, I find it under the inner content. Inner content we will use always inside the main block. Okay, the category, some options here like intro, column, content, images, we always use into another box. Okay, the inner content means we can use this inner content anywhere within this particular block. So this is a one block. Okay, so if I drag the social media here, it will I will not drag it. I will just look everywhere where it give me option to drag it. So it give me option drag upper side the title, downside, downside the button. So okay, let me drag it here, downside the button. Okay, click here to set up social media icon. It immediately give you. But if you have no more space, you can get more space by adjust the space. Okay, okay, and then let me click on it and social media, click here to set up social media icons. Okay, then I will, let me check where we get social media icon option. Let me click on it. Okay, now we have to double click on the box, and then you will find out under the customize area, when you look at downside you will have option social networks. You have to enable it here. You can see my mouse, enable it here. Okay, and make sure you provide the link also. Okay, otherwise you can disable others. For example, if you want to drag add your Facebook, first you enable it, or first provide the URL then enable it. Okay, according the selection, these social media icons will be show on your website. Okay, now let's click on the shop now. From the shop now I want to make something else name here, so I will click one time and I will use my keyboard backspace to delete the button text. And now contact, example contact, or uh, trending products. Example, it can be anything, button can be anything according your selection, which type of button you want to display it. Before you wanna make sure about the button, how you know which button available on your website, let me first save it. Okay, now let me scroll up nearby the website site option, and under the content let's click on pages. It will show us website pages available on our backend. We have a about us, contact us, thanks for the contact page. And here, if you want to disable, if you want to enable this particular into the main menu, then you have to select it here. Is indexable. If you want to index this particular page into search engine, then you have to select here. SEO optimize. If this already optimized or not, then you have to click there and optimize it. So let me click on again pages. If you want to publish or unpublish any page, you have to uncheck it here. easily. Okay, now let's talk about if you want to add more pages on your website, how you can add more pages. So here you will see under the website pages, you will see new option. Okay, so let me repeat again. If you want to add pages on your website or check any pages, go to site option and go to content. Under the content, go to pages. If you want to check product, then go to products. Okay, now let me click on add new page, and it will give you what type of page you want to add. So you have to select here. If you want to if you like any other template for your page, then you can make that template for your website. Older about us page we will remove, we will add the new about us page. If you like any template from these landing pages, you will able to check landing pages available, theme, custom. To add your page to this category, open the page property, site properties. To enable is template option. Okay, so we have to go to properties, site option. Under the site, let me click on home page and site. Now this page, let's click on properties. Okay, so under the properties you will able to change page title is home. You also will able to provide your page URL. Okay, and then you also can enable if this particular page we are editing, any page you are on. If I on about us page, let me click about us page. This is about us page. So now I will have to click again here site and properties. Now it will give me option for about us page, whole options here. Like if about us page I want to enable in the menu, is home page. No, this is not home page. I want to publish this. Yes. I want to index. Yes. If this is a template, so we have to enable this one. Add this page to new page template. It will be added to custom category. Okay, so if you want to duplicate this particular page, you can easily duplicate page here or delete this particular page. If you don't like this page, you can go to site properties and look for delete page. Okay, let's move on. Let me click on home page. Okay, so for the home page, let me click on site option. If I go to under the content, go to products, I will able to check all the products on our website. Then I will click new to add product pages. So if I click here, it will show us our product page. This product has no valid combination because this is a demo content only. We also can click here directly add it if you want to add it the your product page. Okay, now let's move to customization. Okay, now first click on home. This is home, and now click on again add it. Okay, now let's talk about the image. If you want to adjust image or change this particular image, you have to click on the image and scroll down. You will see image option. Under the image option, you will see replace. You will able to replace this particular image. Let me show you how to replace. Click on replace. Now it give us some option like a document. If you want to add any document, icons or videos on your website. So this is easy. You have to just paste the embed code here. It will add video on instead of image. Okay, so now in the under the image, let me click on upload image. Let me try to upload my own image here. Okay, now I can adjust my image how bigger my image should be. Because Odoo platform, I personally use it to build a website. That's why I have a great experience with the features of it. Okay, so now I can adjust my image where it should be. Always look at the bars. We have a bar here, and when you adjust, look at the backend bars to adjust it. So if I scroll down further, I have option to choose the background color, layout. It called in the shape, the background. You will see the shape oval line. I can change to oval line to something else like that. Okay, sorry for that. Diamond. Now my image is now diamond. Okay, you can choose any option under the shape. Let me choose this one. Okay, star. You can try out different uh, shapes. I like this one, heptagon. And then I can also click on a horizontal mirror if I want a horizontal mirror or anything. Okay, description. This is very important to improve your SEO for your website. Under the description, provide alt tag for your image. So it's my own image, so I will put my own name here. Calirona image. I image image. And then tooltip, if someone hover here, they will see this title tag. If I put hi, someone hover, they will see hi on it. And then keep scroll down here. If you want to animation, enable animation on this particular image. Okay, then you have to look at option under the column animations is known. You can on appearance. Now it will be animated. Okay, now scroll down. Let me drag these buttons here. So I will pick my buttons from here. So it will highlight where you can only drag your buttons. So let me delete this one. Or if anything by mistake deleted, always click here, undo button. It will undo everything again. Okay, what else? Now you can also adjust the difference between the pages or gap, how much gap you want to keep. And then let's scroll down. We have this image and we have some text here. We are dedicated to providing your best baby clothing option. Okay, let's click on image. Now you can make image how it should be, how bigger it should be visible. Okay, and follow this area, customize area. Under a layout you can make it grid, calls, and then you can also change the background of your image. Okay, and if I click on image, and it will give you more option under the column to replace the image, this particular image. And position, you can set cover or repeat pattern. Filter, you also can filter your image with blur. Okay, if I select blur, it will be image will be blur under the filter. They have a lot of nice options. Okay, I will choose this one. And quality, you can increase or decrease quality of the image, which I really like it. You can just increase the quality of this image, but it will be bigger in size. So you have to carefully make changes under the quality. Scroll effect, you can also add scroll effect. Parallax to top. Okay, you can add parallax like that. If I hover little bit and it change. And then parallax to bottom, zoom in. Okay, let's try zoom in. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now you also can add shadow. Select shadow, it will add some shadow on your image. Animation, you can animate. Okay, so we have option downside inline text. Okay, which you can use if you have inline text. Now let's click on the title here. How about if you want to change background color for any block? So you have to first click on that particular area anywhere and look for customize option. Under column, look for background, where you will able to change background. Just you have to select here which color you would like, because it give you color options according your this logo. Okay, which is very helpful. So let me select this one. Okay, and then I want to make this particular title animated, so I have to, instead of non on scroll, it will be animated. on scroll. Nice thing. You can add effects on your page, make it beautiful. Okay, I want to give some space to down. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Let me, don't forget to click on save every time you make changes. Okay, now you can also click here to review it, to check if how it look like in the mobile when you make changes. Okay, if there is any problem, just you can add it directly here for the mobile. Click on it, edit. Now you will able to adjust the mobile version of it. Okay, so I want to make all things to the middle here. Okay, to make it nice. And then I will look at option content width, small. Okay, full. I will select full here. And then let me reduce it from here. Okay, reduce it little bit to make it center, because right now it's located to the left side here. Let me scroll down. You also can add shadows into the text. Okay, none. Let me select the box here. Okay, and then scroll down. If you want to make bold anything, just select downside under the inline text, and let me make it center. Okay, let me look at option here where I can easily drag it anywhere if I want. And then let's click on height, visibility. Okay, pixel, let's use it, use the option under banner. There is a layout. You can try out, click other, like calls. Okay, calls. And okay, now in the spacing, let's enter something pixel 22. Okay, or you have to do it one by one, all these things. For example, title, if I click on title, so I have to make title to the center, align to center, yeah, like that. Sorry for that. You have to inline text, use inline text to inline your title or description. Now I will click on description. I will follow inline text area again and select text align to center. Also for the button, click on button, and let's try out what we can do for the button. Inline text. Okay, and style, page anchor, and let me select here if I can make it center. Yeah, we can make it center also using inline text align option. Now let's click on social media, scroll up. So here we not have inline text, so let's try out layout, make it circle, and alignment. Yeah, alignment, make it center. Okay, everything looks good, and save now. Okay, so you have to go to one by one all these options. If anything you wanna delete on your website, just hover near the column or block start from, and you can use the delete button. Now there is no element. You wanna use something else for the main heading, go to blocks, and let me put content option here again. Okay, content, and I will use, you have to select here, because for the hero section I want to change to something else, like, okay, let's try this one under the content, select it. Okay, now it, we will use this one, this looks more better. Okay, now we will drag our social media icon again. Let's drag under the button. Okay, click on it, and now I will enable just 2 or 3. Okay, perfect. Now save. So we have now this text. Okay, let me make some space to downside. Let me add it. Okay, perfect. And save changes. Okay, now let's try out some other blocks to try out on the home page what type of blocks you can use or inner content options you have. If anywhere you wanna use, for example, let me scroll down to here. Okay, first let's talk about categories. Under the categories you will able to add one more column like intro column, columns, content, and then you have a contact and forms, social, if you want to display social media post on your website, product section. Okay, now we don't have product section. Let's add our product section under the products. So we will drag our products here. We want to display. Okay, so you have to choose this layout, and now we have our demo products here. We can easily customize all these things. Double click on it on the header section, and let me make changes. Our latest content, our trending products. Okay, and check out on the C button. Click on C button and check where it bring uh, to the shop page or to the product page. You can add it this one, but it bring to a shop page. You can click here to check your shop page here. There are no products for now, but we will add product later on. For the product section is good. Now let's save changes. Okay, products section will display once we have a product here. But for now we already have this section. This will not visible until you have a product. This is only sample. Okay, so you can easily edit anything on the page. Now let's try out some other inner content options, inner content visits we can try out. So if you wanna, for example, we have a rating. Let me show you all of these button. If you wanna add more button, so you have to in under the inner content drag the button anywhere. Okay, and then image video separator, alert, accordion, and then for example you want to show alert on your website anywhere, just to drag the alert here. Okay, here. Okay, and this will show like a alert. You can change anything on the alert. Okay, let me delete. Let's try out some other blocks like share, card, rating. If you want to display rating, you can display rating anywhere on your website. Here, click on the rating and scroll down under the stars, score, change to 4 or 5, 4 to 5. How much you want to display it here? Okay, out of 5, 4. Size, you can make little bigger size of these icons. I will suggest you make it small, keep it small. Okay, looks good. And when you make any or drag any block, don't forget to click save always. Blocks, let's click on badge or CTA badge. Okay, let's try out CTA badge anywhere. Okay, under the image. So now if someone click here, for example, if you want to promote something, and you can make it button or some text here, try out our shipping discounts, and then you also can add one link here, then keep, put, and select to make the link here. Scroll down. Okay, you have to select here to make it. Okay, select and click here. Look for option under the inline text, insert or edit link. Click on it. First you have to select the text where you want to make it link. Okay, and save. Now let's talk about some other feature like site. What we have, menu editor. Let's talk about header or menu editor. Let's click on menu editor. Okay, now in the under the menu editor you will able to drag your menu where first menu, second menu, which should be like shop, about us. About us we have two times, so I will delete one of them. And okay, and you also can add menu item here directly. Click on add menu item or add mega menu item. You also can add a mega menu item. Let's click on a simple add menu item. Example, this would be like book example. If you have a service website appointment, and then you have to provide here the email URL where they will able to book appointment. Click OK. Now we will have new button here, book appointment, and save. Now you will see here book appointment is clickable here. Okay, everything good. Let me click on again side menu editor, delete it. Now let's click on add mega menu item. Let's make it uh, kids wear, or it can be anything. And then out first mega menu and save changes to check. Yeah, now it will be droppable. Okay, now it's droppable. How you can change all the drop menu here, like computer services and a lot of stuff here, that just click on it and add it. Okay, let me click kids wear. Okay, here. Now you will able to add or edit mega menus here directly. Change your from computer device to kids wear, and then click on laptop. Change its first name like pants. Let me okay, pants. Let me delete another one. Okay, pants. Select with the mouse. You can select with the mouse and then look for option here in under inline text. Click on insert or edit link. Okay, click on it and scroll down. It will give you option to put the link here. Okay, and if you have already product, this particular product like pants, first you have to create category or products. When you search here pants, it will auto pop up and give you option to choose pants. For before that, make sure you already have category for your online store. This is just to show you how you can edit mega menu. Okay, keep scroll down to change all the mega menu. You want to change these icons, click on them. Okay, let me here. Okay, click on them. Okay, now scroll down. You will able to add link here to all these buttons. Okay, let me save. Okay, now we have a mega menu, kids wear. This is just to show you component, because we don't have available. I did not provide any link, that's why it's not visible. So if you want to make it visible, make sure you already have you have to provide the valid link here. So let me first again pants, it will not be visible until you provide here the link. Okay, let me just put pants and save. If it works, yeah, it works. Okay, so let me add it. Click on it, unselect it. Okay, you have to select it and provide the link here. Example contact page. Okay, let me provide any just to show you. I will provide this link. Okay, it should be here, link, because I only have a contact us page, so I can link here. So let me save, and now I will come back here. Now if I click on pant, it will bring me to contact us page, because under the pant I have provide contact us page link. Okay, if I click on pants, it will bring me to contact us page. You can see here, this way you can make changes. For to make categories and product, let's talk about to e-commerce. Under the e-commerce, let's click on e-commerce categories. First you have to make e-commerce categories. Click add new, kids wear. Okay, that's all. And click this little save button, and now we have a kids wear category. If I click again e-commerce category, now it will show us that particular category is here. If I click on it, and I can again add it, this one. Category description you can provide here, parent category, and the category image, which is very important. You have to provide category image here. So now we have a kids wear category. If I go back to my website, under the products, sorry, I have to go to home page and click on kids wear. Okay, now let's edit it. Now I will show you how to link the category here instead of a contact us page. So I will select here again pants. Sorry, it should be kids wear, kids wear, select it, and now under the inline text, click on insert link. Now instead of contact us, let me search now for kid. Okay, so it will immediately give me option shop category. So I have to just select it and save. Now we have a kids wear category already, and it linked to mega menu. If I click on kids wear, okay, now we have a category. This way you can create all the category under the e-commerce, add your product under the products, click add new product. You have to provide the product name, kid pants or anything, and in the general information, if this particular is physical product, you have to select good here. If this is a service, like if you wanna sell services like appointment, then you have to select service, goods, and then sale price. Select your price, sale price, cost, category, and here we will add image for the kids pant. Add it, and you have to provide upload images here. If you click on sales, you will able to add upsell, cross sells, tags. If you want to publish this particular product, okay, then you have to select here. Now it, when you click on category, it auto pick category here. Under the general information, that is just a general information under a category. Category like delivery, expensive, goods, so we have to select here goods, sorry for that, goods. Okay, under the sale we will select here category. And e-commerce media, you have to provide the media for this particular product. Okay, in the general information, so this is just for the cover image, you can call it cover image here. So under the e-commerce media, you have to put the images here. We have option accessory product. If you have, if any accessory product comes with it, you can upsell, cross sell here. Let me save. Okay, now we have a product. If I go to home page of my website, now one product showing here. So once you start adding product, those will showing here. Okay, make sure you add this product block on your website, which I already explained how to drag it. You have to add it and click on blocks, and number 4 are here, number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, number 9 option products. You have to drag it where you want to display product. You can display multiple, you want to display here something else, downside you can make one more, something else. Then you have to select according that. I have to, if I select here product box, and I will able to choose which product I want to display here. For example, I want to display kids wear here, and then under here I want to add one more block same, and there I want to display something else. So you will able to look for under products, filter categories, choose your category. We only have kids wear, so we select here kids wear. And then template, you will able to also choose template, what type of template you like that under the template. Okay, you can make it small templates if you want. Okay, you can make it something shadow, looks good. Make sure you have this image. Okay, save. So this is what I talking about, this image. You will able to add it in the starting. If I go to kit product, select it, and here category, it will show on the home page this image. Let's try out something else here. E-commerce category, product, combo choices. Click on combo choices. You will able to create combos for your products. Click new. You have to make the name for this combo and select the products here. You can offer original price, extra price, product tags, product ribbons, options. Let's click on reporting analytics. Okay, now I will able to see if there are analytics. Okay, analytics will refresh time to time how many visitor your website have, and it is, you also can select here today how many visitors on your website today. And then under the reporting you have a e-commerce. You will able to check sales, how many sales. And if you click on a page view, you will able to see page view, who person, who is the visitor. Let's click on configuration setting, which is important. Under the configuration and setting, you will able to make setting for the domain, language, website name, and favicon for the website. You're also able to install languages. Okay, you can try out these features. Under the shop payment, which is important, you can activate Stripe. If you want to see alternative, click on view alternative, and it will give you option, various option to add more payment options on your website. You can click next. Okay, so we have only 17. Okay, good. And you also can configure payments directly by clicking payment providers and payment methods. You can add another payment, click on add new, and you can name it like a PayPal. And then you have to select here providers, and you have to provide a detail how they will pay it. Brands, you can add brands here. Depends on you which payment method you wanna make. Delivery method, click on delivery method, and you can able to you will able to edit this particular standard delivery for now. Click on it, and you will able to change the delivery methods here. Okay, what else, what else? And we have, if we scroll down, we have option like you will able to make changes to checkout process, how the setting should be, like if someone has product in add to cart, stay on product page, or it should go to cart page, or let user decide. Okay, you can make changes according that. If we scroll down, we have a product setting, delivery setting. You can select like UPS, FedEx, more options here. Invoicing, email marketing, I really like it. You can enable live chat on your website. Okay, you have to select it here. Email marketing, automatically send abnormal checkout emails. Okay, cookies bar, you can just select it here and it will show cookies bar. You can let customers free sign up on your website or on invitation, and you can also select access right for them. E-commerce access for all user, or they should log in. If you select here login user, they should log in before they access the product. SEO setting, I really like it. We have a robotext, Google Analytics console. You have to select here and provide Google console, search console, the code here. We have address autocomplete, default social share image, and more options. If I click on general, okay, we have also option under the general. You can invite more users on your website, add languages, companies information, email information. For example, if someone fill up the form on your website, where the email should go to, you can set up custom email server also. You also can use Outlook. We have a discuss for discuss platform. Contacts, if you want to save contacts, send messages. We have a permission. The user will able to password reset, and it will enable password reset form on the login page. If you have login access or sign up access, if you're using, then you need integration. You can integration mail plugins, map, okay, authentication, reCAPTCHA, a lot more features here. If you click on invoicing, you can set up for invoicing for your users. Okay, so you can try out a different feature on Odoo website. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also please leave comments if you need, if you want me to create another tutorial on Odoo website for business, for like a portfolio website. So I will try to make another tutorial on that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.